Hey, thank you for watching. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's RVTV, the Ripperman Valerius Show. And I'm your host, Ripperman Valerius. Ladies and gents, our episode now is all about cooking. Hashtag Ripperman Cooks presents Batsoy Yung Tagalog. Batchoy has its origins among the Chinese immigrants of La Paz, Iloilo. The word is from the Hokkien Chinese phrase bakwi or bakui, which means pieces of meat. Those who already tasted the dish already knows na malaki ang pagkakaiba ng La Paz Batchoy and Batsoy Tagalog. The main ingredients of Batsoy Tagalog is basically pork offal or pork innards mixed with pork meat and pork skin and pork fat. For me, the dish is another example of Pinoy frugality at practice. Now, frugality is one of the strong quality of Filipinos. It means pagtitipid or hindi pagsasayang, or making the most on what you have or what you got.
Okay, so the main ingredient or the main star of our cooking today is the pork offal or pork innards mixed with pork skin and other stuff that I don't know in particular. So you can buy this ready-made or prepared already boiled, slightly boiled. You can buy it in your local supermarket. Most of the supermarket in Metro Manila, they have this. Okay, this is already a pig's blood, already boiled earlier. I put some garlic, salt, MSG, and a little bit of vinegar. So I already cooked this in advance earlier. Okay, alright, you can see that, right? Okay. And this will be the aromatics for our recipe for today. So that's chopped onion, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, and of course siling haba with nor cubes. And then since I'm from Sorsogon, from Bicol, yes, main ingredient, one of our main ingredient is tanglad or lemongrass. Right? So you can see there. Guys, for the green component of our recipe today, Batsoy Tagalog, so due to scarcity of ingredients available in our area, I cannot find any dahon ng sili or chili leaves, so this will be a very good substitute. So this will do, pechay will do. So basically, Batsoy Tagalog is tinola in principle, the ingredients. So I also use pechay in my tinola when I can't find any siling green or dahon ng sili. And then we will amplify that flavor with the use of siling haba. So as you can see, we'll go broke or go home with the siling haba. Okay. So that's it. So we will put this at the end before we stop cooking the Batsoy Tagalog mixture later on. Alright? Okay. So for today's paggigisa, alright, I'm using used oil. I used this oil when I fried some lechon kawali and some chicharong bulaklak. So as you can imagine, that's full of porky flavor. What I'm going to do now is fry some of this mixture. Now The reason for that is I want to amplify the ginisa flavor or the Maillard reaction here. That Maillard, that brown bits, that's the one that will give the Batsoy Tagalog that deep flavor. Okay? So we're gonna try it. So we'll fry it until it's golden brown. I mixture already, so as you can see, it's almost done. Right? You see that brown bit already evident. Let's give it a minute or two more with a strong flame. Apoy na malakas, naglalagablag.
Pag medyo napuputok na.
Yeah. So we will make hango. Right, set aside this porky goodness, brown bits. Right. So para magkaroon tayo ng area sa paggigisa. Okay? Okay. So if you're watching my cooking, the style of cooking I do, when I saute my aromatics, I don't put them everything all together. Okay, I always divide it into two. Alright, because I want my flavoring for my cooking to be layered. Okay, not only one level or one layer, but multi-layer or level. And then I don't know if you get what I'm talking about, but you can try it. Okay. With the ginger and with the lemongrass, put them all together. Stirring constantly. Halo halo. Alright.
Natagpuan tamis ng unang tikim, hinahanap-hanap, di na makikita. Ika'y walang kahambing, ang pangis at walang kasing tamis na unang tikim.
My technique is I will wait till I don't hear the sizzle anymore, and that's the sign that I need to put the patis. I will season it with patis for this sauce. Okay. Again, roast it. Any food will do, but I prefer chicken.
Tamis ng unang tikim. Walang kahambing, ang pangis at walang kasing tamis na unang tikim.
So, at this point, time to put our patis. So, this is the main ingredient for seasoning this dish, patis. And then you can add salt later to taste, okay? And then we will put all the aromatics. Sabaw, okay? In Tagalog, the soup where we boil our porky ingredients. Alright? So the soup that we're going to put in here. And this Batsoy Tagalog is a kind of soup. We need to add more water. I will add more water.
Di na makikita, ika'y walang kahambing. Ang bangis at walang kasing tamis na unang
Where's
tikim.
my... Okay. This is the black pepper, ground black pepper. Ground black pepper. Okay. Be generous with the ground black pepper. And then try to boil, and then see it. Signature move. Okay. So this is miswa, one of the main ingredients for a Batchoy Tagalog. Okay, miswa. Kaya noodles, small noodles. So this is.
Kanupog na mo ang araw ko sa tuwing inaaway mo. Pagising sa umaga, mukha mo ang nakita. Wala pang nagawa na kasi pagod na. At pagsabog ko, gabi, tampo lalong lumalaki. Ang gusto ko lapitan, ngunit may ulan.
Okay, so
Bawat dito
here. Okay.
ang almusal
MSG.
ay sigawan.
Right?
Ang hapunan natin ay tampuhan. Ang leyenda
Mix it a little bit. Let it boil.
pero mahal kita.
I already cooked this almost an hour. I boiled it, so that's the reason why it's darker.
Away-away na
Okay?
And a bit more thicker.
Yeah. So we're gonna mix it with our mixture now. Again.
nahuli lang ng
Let it boil.
di nakikibo. Natrabog na sa kanto, kasama ko si Puto. Naisip ko agad na chicks ako. Simple lang naman ang pinagmulan. Pinahaba ang laban, di naman kailangan habang away na naman. Ang almusal ay sigawan. Ang hapunan natin ay tampuhan. Ang leyenda pagdududa. Pero mahal kita, wala nang
It's time to put our beans.
handa kong mag-ulis. Kahit na
Dump
away-away
it
na to.
all. And mix it. And then wait at least 20 seconds or so. Then we're done. We're basically done cooking. Okay. All of our beans are already withered. Is that right word? Withered? We don't want our greens to be overcooked. I don't want that. You don't want that. That's it.
Now it's time.
Time
For
for
the
the
garnish.
leeks. Alright, put it there. That's it.
kita minamahal. Dami mong babae, wala ka pang trabaho. Ngunit kahit ganon ay nandito lang.
Okay, time to serve. Okay, so
Nandito lang ako.
Ang almusal ay sigawan. Ang hamon
look at that.
ay tapuhan.
That's right, my goodness.
Dapat
Time to put the garnish.
pero mahal kita, wala nang hahanapin pang iba. Handa kong magtiis kahit na away na to. Away na to. Away na to. Pakinggan ang aking sasabihin. Ayoko nang ulitin. Makinig ka na.